The Nobel Assembly at Karolinska Institutet has today decided to award the 2024 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine jointly to Victor Ambros and Gary Ruvkun for the discovery of microRNA and its role in post-transcriptional gene regulation. Here are the two laureates a few years ago. Victor Ambros was born in Hanover, New Hampshire, in the US in 1953. The work leading to today's award was performed at Harvard University, and he's currently a Silverman Professor of Natural Science at the University of Massachusetts Medical School. Gary Ruvkun was born in Berkeley, California, in the US in 1952. The work leading to his Nobel Prize was performed at Massachusetts General Hospital and Harvard Medical School, where he is now a professor of genetics. I will now turn to the Nobel Committee Vice Chair, Olle Kempe, who will describe the discovery. So please, Olle.
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Nobel laureates have discovered microRNA, a tiny molecule that has opened a new field in gene regulation. Genetic information is stored in DNA in the cell nucleus. This genetic information is copied into mRNA, and mRNA is then translated to protein. Proteins are the building blocks that are responsible for major functions in our body. For example, neural function, muscle contraction, absorption of nutrients in the gut, and defending us from invading pathogens by immune cells. This perception changed 7 years later when Gary Ruvkun, in the year 2000, identified a second microRNA produced by the LET7 gene in the worm. Unlike GLIN4, LET7 was found to be highly conserved and is present in human and most of the animal kingdom. This finding made the previously dormant microRNA explode. As it turned out, many microRNAs are highly conserved throughout evolution over several 100 million years. In more complex organisms, a larger number of microRNAs have evolved, with humans having more than 1,000 distinct microRNA genes. Today, we understand that the majority of all genes are regulated by microRNAs. Every microRNA regulates several genes, several mRNAs, and each mRNA is often regulated by many distinct microRNAs, creating a robust system for gene regulation. The seminal discovery of microRNA has introduced a new and unexpected mechanism of gene regulation. MicroRNAs are important for our understanding of embryological development, normal cell physiology, and diseases such as cancer. As an example, tumors often perturb microRNA networks in order to grow. Victor Ambros and Gary Ruvkun have jointly been awarded this year's Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine for their discovery of microRNA and its role in post-transcriptional regulation. I now hand back to Professor Thomas Perlman, the Secretary General of the Nobel Assembly.